My experience with Evolve Physical Therapy has always been on a positive note. I've had a total knee replacement on my right knee as well as on my left knee, along with other issues that were causing me physical pain. I would recommend Evolve Physical Therapy. I have in the past and I will in the future. Because Evolve Physical Therapy is a community-based business, it's very nice to come and know that they get to know you as the person and not just a patient. I think what I like most about the treatment sessions is that it's very personal and that we have a chance to get to know one another, and we're not just like a conveyor belt of people going in and out and you never get to know one another. It's a great place to be at when you need help with your physical being and knowing that you want to get back to an active life pain-free.